Hi there, lovelies. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this delicious chicken spaghetti lo mein. Let's get right into it. I started to boil my pot of water. I'll add in about half a tablespoon of salt and then my spaghetti. I'm using 2 boxes or 32 ounces of spaghetti. We'll allow this to cook until al dente. While the spaghetti is cooking, let's marinate the chicken breast. So I have here onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, black pepper. I'll add my chicken seasoning, cornstarch, and then I'll measure about a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. I'll make sure to leave all the detailed ingredients in my description, and then we'll mix it all together until the chicken is well marinated. We'll set that on the side for now. Let's begin mixing the sauce. I'll make sure to leave the detailed measurement in my description. So I've added in dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, vegetable seasoning, sesame oil, cornstarch, and then water. I'll give it a quick mix and then I'll add in my honey. You can use brown sugar for this recipe as well, but I always prefer honey. I'll add in green onions and then we'll mix it and set it on the side. My spaghetti is very well cooked to al dente. I'll strain the water and then sprinkle a little oil to prevent it from sticking together. This recipe is just like making chicken stir fry or any type of stir fry. So please make sure you have all your vegetables cut up and ready to go. I'll start to pan fry my chicken. I'll be cooking it until it is well done. And once that is done cooking, I'll remove it from the pan and then I'll begin to saute my vegetables. If today happens to be the first time on this channel, hello there and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you so much for doing that. Let's bring everything together and create our chicken lo mein. I've added in some more oil, my onions. I'll saute for 30 seconds and then I'll come in with my garlic ginger paste. This is a must add. I'll add in my green and red chilies, which is very hot, and then we'll saute this for a good 30 seconds. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you for your support. I'll add in my carrots. We'll saute everything for just about 30 seconds. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. We are making lo mein, so we want our vegetables to be crunchy. I'll add in my sauce that we mixed earlier on, and then we'll stir everything together or mix everything together until the sauce thickens up. This is very necessary, guys. Don't just throw in your sauce and your spaghetti together. All right, so the sauce is looking very good. I'll add in my bell peppers, which is optional, but I highly recommend you add it. It adds delicious flavor and aroma to the lo mein. I'll allow it to simmer for a good minute and a half, and then I'll come in with my spaghetti, guys. You can follow me on all social media platforms. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, here on YouTube Shorts, all Abinasia recipes. Thank you so much. So as you can see, I've added in my spaghetti, I've added in my chicken, and all what is left is for everything to mix well, and then we'll just add on some green scallion for delicious flavor and garnish, and we are ready to serve our spaghetti chicken lo mein. Oh, I'm super excited. This was very, very delicious. And like I said, I'll make sure to leave all the detailed ingredients in my description so that you can make this for your family. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.